What you doing?
I'm making this kind of hard stuff.
Oblek?
Yeah, and it's called oblique. And it's really hard. And when you do that, when you get excited, it doesn't let your hands go through. And when you go down,
Oh my goodness.
it goes in.
Link, get down.
And then when you pull
Get
up,
down.
it's hard. And like whack.
Get down.
And when I do that again, it just doesn't.
Link, get down.
And
Good
then
boy.
When I
There's your
keep
boy.
soft doing it,
There's Ori.
hey, right here.
Hold on. And there's Bella. And there's Link, my big boy.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
Link.
Hi,
And-
Lincoln.
Well, want to see something cool?
Sure. Yummy.
It's the pieces in it that makes it in it, and it's mostly made out of that corn clay.
Corn what?
Corn clay.
Cornstarch.
I mean cornstarch.
Cool.
Well, the cornstarch gets mixed into hot water with white stuff, and corn clay. Corn clay is just water, and then when you put a lot in, it just turns hard. And then when you do get excited, it doesn't let your hand through. But when you go softly, lets it through. When you pull it hard, it doesn't let through. But when you do that, it gets through.
Ooh.
And when you grab it, it's cool. It's the cool part.
Lincoln! Lincoln! No, Jesus criminy.
And when you grab it, it's the cool part.
Cool, dude.
You can make shapes.
Cool.